give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh.
What's going on? We are out here today on a beautiful Saturday morning, and we're going to do a trip down to Port Aransas. Today, you won't believe it, but we have Captain Bose on board.
What's going on, guys?
I think this is the first time we have flown together since you made captain. Would that be a correct assumption?
I think so. And it's the first time I've flown in a small plane in a long time. So he just commented that I had my feet on the brakes whenever he was starting it up because I got the old flight instructor habits going. But
all right, since we're at it already, you want to go ahead and check your brakes?
All right.
You have flight controls?
I have flight controls.
You have flight controls.
My brakes are good.
All right, I have flight controls.
Your flight.
All right, brake check is good here as well.
Going to Port A, baby.
Port A, let's do this. All right, taking off out of clean. You know what, I'll tell you what, man, how about you do the takeoff from here? How do you feel about that?
Are you sure?
Absolutely.
All right, man. Engine instruments are green, airspeed is coming up. And rotate. I forgot what VY is in this, about 67-ish?
Yeah, between 60 and 7.
Okay.
Usually around 66,
Skylark
67.
traffic, Skyhawk 24 Alpha Foxtrot is 8 miles to the southeast inbound for 19 descending from 4,000 to 2,000 Skylark.
Skylark traffic, Cessna 4068 uniforms on the upwind, runway 19. Looking for the traffic will be a south-southeast departure. Skylark. What's our rough true course there?
A 170.
Okay. Clear left, clear right. Skylark traffic, Cessna 4068 uniform is departing to the south-southeast. We're now climbing through 1,300, climbing 3,500. Skylark. Can you select autopilot on, please?
Also not in the budget. I actually have been looking for an autopilot for the 150, but it doesn't look like there's anything that's been approved yet.
Yeah. Well, I kind of invited myself, but...
Hey, that's all good, man. That's all good. Thing is, I was going to hit you up anyway, man, to see if you wanted to go, but I wasn't sure if you were here or if you were out on the road.
No, I been here for 3 days. Been doing home stuff, been studying for computer-based training. I got that completed and done, so basically I have the day off, and then tomorrow I'm going to go race. So you're welcome to come join.
Oh, absolutely, man. I have nothing to do tomorrow. Absolutely.
Yeah, man. From your place, it'd be like 35 minutes away to the track.
Okay. Climbing through 3,200. I'll tell you what, man, why don't we go up to 55?
Yeah, let's climb and maintain 60 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm down.
Absolutely.
This is in Texas. It is still warm.
Super hot for no reason.
Who doesn't like raw oysters, though?
Oh, man, come on, bro.
You
want to have this discussion right now? Listen, oysters, they look like they've been eaten before, and they came out somebody's nose. That's really what it is.
Skyhawk 24 Alpha Foxtrot is departing to the southeast from runway 19. Final call, Skylark.
Here, I'll take some out. You want to take flight controls and keep us climbing?
Sure, let's do it.
All right, you have flight controls.
Flight controls.
Flight controls. Let's go. Yeah, this way.
Hey, Gary Process, November 4068 uniform with a flight following request.
4068 uniform, Gray.
Hey, Gray 68 uniform, I'd like to request flight following down to Romeo Alpha Sierra at 5,500, currently about 8 miles south of the Killeen Skylark Airport, type Cessna 150.
4068 uniform, roger, stand by one.
Stand by 68 uniform.
Army 27453, contact Houston approach 134.3, so long.
Oh, man. This never gets old, bro.
134.3 for Army 27453.
Yep. As long as we got that 2,000 foot clearance horizontal, we can come down and it's 100% legal.
Roger, and call sign for that Cessna.
So for all of you who are wondering what flight following is, basically it's a service that air traffic control can provide to VFR traffic and it gives you traffic advisories, or another way you could say is you would like advisories, you don't have to say flight following. It gives you traffic advisories on your way. It helps you to visually see and avoid traffic whenever you're calling up.
068 uniform squawk 0525 and ident.
0525, ident 68 uniform.
So basically in air traffic control, we're going to tell them who we are, where we are, and what we want, just like we would in any other radio call in aviation.
068 uniform, radar contact about 10 south Skylark, altimeter 3000, I show you at 4,100.
3000, affirmative on altitude, 68 uniform.
68 uniform, start looking for traffic. They're off your, we'll say 10 to 9 o'clock and about 5 miles westbound, 3,400. They should be doing some approaches there into Georgetown. I believe they're on that track from Oxwood to C-Loop.
Okay. We'll be looking for that traffic, 68 uniform.
So like I basically said, we tell ATC who we are, where we are, what we want, and we tell them we would like radar services or flight following to wherever we're going and what altitude we're going at. We want to make sure that we know our altitude rules as far as what hemisphere, if we're flying eastbound or westbound, to give them an accurate altitude. Not that you would get in trouble for that, but they would probably correct you. And it's just good to be proficient enough to tell them the altitude. So in this situation, we are going southeast, so it should put us on the eastern side. So we would be even 1,000 plus 500, or sorry, odd 1,000 plus 500. So we're going up to 5,000.
Hey, Charlie Lima,
500
yeah,
feet.
That'll work. It looks like direct to.
They'll give us not separation, but they'll give us advisories from other traffic so we can maintain better vigilance for VFR separation on our way down. And what also helps is they hand us off to the next controlling agency, which would either be a center or an approach, so that we can continue that service all the way down.
The uniform, that traffic I told you about earlier, he's about 3 miles off your left side now, westbound 3,100.
All right, still looking for that traffic, 68 uniform.
4068 uniform, you can contact Austin approach 127.22, we'll see you.
27.22 for Austin approach, 68 uniform.
Alright, so 127.
60
22.
All right. Austin approach, Cessna number 4068 uniform, 5,200, climbing 5,500.
4068 uniform, Austin approach, altimeter 3003, say destination.
3003 on the altimeter, destination is Romeo Alpha Sierra.
What do you think?
This is episode number 4 of the 150 Adventures. If you haven't already liked and subscribed, definitely hit that button. Show us a little support, comment, tell your friends about us.
Alright, we are approaching our cruising altitude of 5,500.
Alpha 2161 Austin.
So we'll start leveling this thing out. And I don't foresee anything major happening between now and then, but we will check in sporadically with you guys. Until then, enjoy some of this footage.
Southwest 125.32. 2532, so long, ma'am, Southwest 1278.
Austin 362 Julia Echo descending via the Suzy 6, and we have India.
362
You're a
Julia
north
Echo,
up guy?
expect
I
runway
am, you're
18.
crazy, dude. Why? What?
We'll
Yes,
expect
what?
that to Julia Echo.
Blasphemous.
You don't like north up, that's not your thing.
Continue to descend via the Suzy and 2532.
Holy shit.
Oh shit. Oh, we got it on camera too.
Nice. Yep. Yeah, definitely don't be changing
Q4
altitudes.
Alpha Foxtrot, I think you said it. Do you have information hotel?
Alright, we are descending into Mustang Beach. We are about 11 miles out, so I'm going to go ahead and cancel flight follow this time.
Looks like we'll clear that conflict and we're proceeding outbound.
Hey, Corpus Christi, Cessna number 4068 uniform. We'll have to go ahead and cancel flight follow at this time, please.
68 uniform, radar service terminates, squawk before frequency approved. Just use squawk for the McCampbell Airport. And see it.
Alright, we'll squawk VFR, frequency change approved. Still looking for that traffic. We'll stay clear of the airport. 68 uniform.
Spec 32, clear approach.
Vector 2, clear the approach, thank you.
Alright, we will switch over to my scratch pad. 122.9 is Mustang Beach traffic. Mustang Beach traffic, Cessna number 4068 uniform is 4 to the northwest. We'll enter straight in runway 12, full stop, Mustang Beach. Alright, and we're in a pattern. Much shorter runway than any of the other runways that I usually go to. Throw this baby down into the white arc. Alright, first notch flaps. Alright, we'll go 2 notches. Got a little bit of crosswind here. Oh, that's a fucking pelican. What the fuck? Oh, yep. I know. I had it.
You got it. Sorry, dude. Sorry. Dude, I hope you got that.
I had it, bro. I had it.
I'm sorry. I'm saying I hope you got that. I don't care.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, dude.
You good? You good?
I thought we were gonna smash that thing, dude.
Yo. That was legit. That was legit. I'm glad he stayed low, though. I'm glad he stayed low. Man, it already smells like ocean water out here. That's what I'm talking about.
Yes, sir. And welcome to Port Aransas.
Welcome to PA.
That was a big bird.
Alright, tie down spots over here? Yeah.
He's got the key in there and everything. I don't know what you're scared of, man. Man, I can't believe you're eating this stuff, bro. It's good, man. It's good stuff. Alright, y'all, just got done eating at Virginia's seafood spot. And we have decided to take the journey without an Uber, without a Lyft, or any of those things, which is 2.7 miles back to the airport via the outskirts and then straight to the beach. And then we'll probably do about 1.8 miles on the beach to get back to the airport. JB's gonna shoot some drone footage. He's the drone guy. It's gonna look immaculate. And enjoy the scenery. Oh man, is it drone time? All right.